The health of your gut is key in determining your overall well being. The more toxic bacteria you have in your gut, the more your health will deteriorate. This is why taking care of your gut health is incredibly important. In this article, we will go over ways you can ensure proper gut health. What is a gut detox? Waste and toxins can build up anywhere throughout your body. This is especially true in your gut, where you process and break down most of your food. A gut cleansing, also known as colon cleansing, is a great way to remove harmful waste and toxins from your colon, which can help keep your gut healthy. The healthier your gut is, the better the chances it has of eliminating illness-causing microorganisms and keeping unwanted toxins out of the gut. A healthy gut allows your body to successfully digest food and let vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients get absorbed by your body. In other words, the healthier your gut, the lower the risk of developing diseases. How do I detox my gut? There are many different ways you can detox your gut. However, most experts agree that you should avoid detoxes that require you to starve yourself or quote-unquote flush your system using sketchy products. Instead, implementing healthy lifestyle changes is the best way to detox your gut. Here is an example of a 3-day gut reset that will have you feeling better than ever. Day 1, Saturday. It's best that you start this detox on the weekend, as day 1 requires you to wake up naturally. No alarm clocks and forcing yourself to chug 2 cups of coffee before leaving your house. You should also ditch the Western diet, things like fast food and processed foods, for a more Mediterranean diet, focusing on vegetables, fruit, and whole grains. Next, get a nice brisk 30-minute workout before finally falling asleep at least 30 minutes before you normally do. Day 2, Sunday. You'll want to start day 2 early. That way you're not preparing your body for a late start on Monday. Try to wake up at 7:30 a.m. while adding high-fiber foods into every meal. This includes foods like raspberries, green peas, broccoli, and beans. Go to sleep earlier than you usually would so you can wake up refreshed tomorrow and stay in sync with your circadian rhythm. Day 3, Monday. Wake up around 6:30 a.m., which should be at least 7 hours after you went to bed. Try cutting meat out of your diet today. Diets loaded with fruits and vegetables have been linked to more diverse microbiota and an abundance of good bacteria like Prevotella. Next, try some de-stressing exercises, such as meditation. Stress can reduce the beneficial bacteria in our gut, so it's important to keep it at bay. Finally, keep up your healthy sleep pattern by once again falling asleep at a decent hour. How do I know if the detox is working? While a gut detox can be great for the body, it can, unfortunately, come with unwanted side effects. It should be noted that these side effects are usually short-lived. If you experience lasting effects, you should consult with your doctor. Here are some signs that detoxing may be working. Headaches, tiredness, or irritability. If you cut caffeine, sugar, wheat, or dairy out of your diet, you can experience withdrawals. That's because these foods and beverages can be highly addictive. Food cravings. It's common for someone to experience food cravings when they're practicing an elimination diet. Bowel irregularity. A sudden change in your diet can result in bowel irregularities. This is bad news for a detox, as many toxins are eliminated through stool. If you're experiencing constipation, try a magnesium supplement or high-fiber seeds and non-starchy vegetables. What are the effects of a colon cleanse? Colon cleanses are almost always met with large promises and guarantees. However, the benefits of a colon cleanse will vary from person to person. Those who have more toxins in their gut will more than likely feel the benefits of a colon cleanse more than those who have a relatively clean gut. Here are some of the health benefits associated with a colon cleanse: an improved mental outlook, improved immune system, weight loss, reduced risk of colon cancer. It should be noted that more research is required before we can make definitive statements one way or another in regards to the benefits of a colon cleanse. With that being said, primitive research has yielded promising results. How long does it take to reset your gut? When it comes to gut health, Long-term results require long-term lifestyle changes. Research suggests that you can begin to notice positive changes in your health only a few days after making healthier lifestyle choices. However, if you give up on your new habits, then your gut health may revert back to its original composition. It can take several months to kill off the majority of unhealthy bacteria in the gut. This means that you should aim to make long-lasting changes in your health rather than quick solutions that can lead to burnout easier. These long-term healthy lifestyle choices will not only improve your gut health, but your overall health. What is the best drink to flush your system? Detoxes can extend beyond changing the foods you eat. There are detox toxins made specifically for flushing out the bad bacteria located in your gut. These drinks can actually be quite tasty while providing health benefits. Here are some of the most popular drinks used to flush your system. Lemon detox drink. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, making it a popular ingredient in detox drinks. Mint cucumber detox drink. This drink is great for managing weight and maintaining fluid and mineral balance in the body. Coconut water detox drink. This drink requires little efforts to create and is good for your skin and hair. Chia seed and aloe vera detox drink. What foods help heal your gut? As we have mentioned several times in this article, if you're serious about your gut health, you need to be serious about the foods you put into your body. The best way to maintain a healthy gut is by eating healthy foods. Here are some of the foods you need to focus on adding to your regular diet. Vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, carrots, kale, and spinach. Fruit, coconuts, grapes, bananas, blueberries. Fish, salmon, tuna, and herring. Herbs and spices. Nuts, raw nuts, peanuts, and almonds. Healthy fats, avocado, avocado oil, and coconut oil. As important as the food you put into your body is the food that you don't put into your body. This doesn't mean that you can't indulge in unhealthy foods ever again, but limit your intake to once a week or even once a month. Supplements can help. One supplement that can help encourage positive gut health is spermidine. This is because spermidine helps induce something called autophagy. This is the body's process of replacing old and potentially damaged cell parts with newer, healthier ones. Autophagy literally means self-eat. This process helps keep you feeling and looking young, while also dramatically lowering your chances of developing aging diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. While it is possible to get your recommended daily intake of spermidine through your diet, it's recommended to take supplements so you ensure you get the right dose. Simply taking your supplements with your dinner is a great way to remember to take spermidine supplements every night.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.